Take my funds. How are you, my funds? Dun, da, da. Number one mother. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adetu. Once again, it's been a minute, and my last video, I was literally just doing makeup with my mom, and there was no me talking, apologizing for taking a long time to actually post on here today, and sorry to post on here again. I'm super sorry to anyone who has missed me. I'm so sorry for taking such a long break, but there are times you just have self-doubt, and then you just have to like recompose, come back together. We're humans, and these things tend to happen, and we just can't um, just have the power over them, right? So we're promising to post like daily, but God help me, weekly I'll be posting, or perhaps if possible twice in a week. I'm definitely gonna be posting. So I ordered for new makeup kit, and they arrived. Okay, actually it was supposed to come in on Sunday, but sorry, on Saturday. I ordered on Friday, so it's supposed to come in on Saturday, and it actually came in on Saturday, but the dispatch rider went to deliver to the wrong person. But thankfully the person was nice, and was a man who is not going to be in little makeup, so he was willing to like get in contact with me and get it back to me. Then from beauty and skin, um, cupcakes from them, because I really wanted to upgrade. If I'm coming back here, I really wanted to upgrade, and also in fact that I want to like really, really venture into my makeup artistry. So I decided like, okay, it's about time I upgrade my things, my kits. Yeah, actually it took a lot from me. Yeah, I will lie. It took a lot of me, and I'm still feeling it in my pocket. Sharing abuse. Okay, I'll share my view definitely, because you guys are not going to be sharing anything with me. Then perhaps in the comment section, don't forget to comment if you have any contrary opinion about this product that I got. You can always leave it down. Anyone can learn. I can also learn. Alright, so let's begin. Actually, the person even thought the line because he got it right, and he didn't want to share my beat to be a bomb or something like we said something illegal, so he cross-checked before he accepted it. And amazingly, I didn't even know this guy before. We live in the same estate, practically the same street, and I never met him. Like, this made me meet him, and okay, we're gonna be meeting tomorrow, and that will not be tomorrow when I'm going to be reading this. That's gonna be like 5 days after actually. But yeah, I'm gonna meet him because I met him later in the night because I was coming back from work. I got back from work quite late on Monday because I received it on Monday. So I couldn't see his face, so we decided like use the public holiday yesterday, Wednesday, to meet up and see each other's face and see who got my package on my behalf. And it was nice to actually return it. It also helped me that I could get things for my money. Like I feel so proud of myself. Like I don't get things before. Like this is different. Like I'm getting a lot of things myself. Like it's a whole lot. So I got this bag. So it's not like they give me that's their packaging style though. So I got this set of bag. The three sets. So there are two sets of this and the bigger size. So I got it so they just packed everything together. And it's just really nice the way they packed it too. So I got this. So I choose two different colors, the color 18 and the color 3. So 2 in 1 package. I got this concealer because I was actually very used to LA Girls. So I said, like, let me check out something finer. I don't know if this is finer, but I actually wanted to get the V Beauty, but I decided that Blossom Makeup is one of these new makeup brands that is coming up, and I decided like let me check them out. I got shade Blossom, I got shade Posh, shade Tan, and I don't know why they didn't use this one, Caramel. Yeah. This Pulley and Arc Brow brush. So I got this Naked 2-in-1 brush. It has a spoolie brush and this because I've always lack in this. So actually, I got some other brushes which I'm going to be showing you, but then I just wanted to have an extra. And but I feel like if I knew that other one too would have like come into your one, I wouldn't have ordered for this because I wanted something as I'm brushing up and concealing yet. But as I'm defining, but then this is what it is. It is never a loss on things like this. Smallest pouch. I got this face primer. I've always wanted a face primer, so I got this face primer from Flawless Ivy Optimus Prime. Uh, I don't know. Oops, sorry, I think I should have pushed it to the side. Don't mind me, I just like that when I open a carton like this, I open from where the cap is. So that's why you can see that I changed. So this is the face primer Optimus. Got this eyeliner because I used to have a pencil liner, not like a pencil, but then still pencil, but most sometimes when I go make up for people, they tend to complain this and that. So I decided to get the gel liner, so I can easily just use a brush to get it done. So I still got this from Blossom also. It is their brow tint, and I'm not sure if I got this or this was given me as a gift because I'm not sure I ordered this. But if it was given as a gift, thank you, Raw Beauty. But then I'll still try and check my my list of things I bought in the mail again to see if I actually ordered or it's a gift or a brow razor, because blade tend to tear my skin whenever I'm using it sometimes, especially if I forget to use the paper around it. So I try to get this one that I can easily just brush out. This is the medium size pouch, big girls. So for the big box, I got this. So it's a moisturizer, right? This is it. I wanted to do this for the last, but so this is So Pro fillet, I will fillet, whatever it is. So I got the review I've been seeing on Instagram as a pepper moon that nah, I'm gonna get it. Never likes it. Oh, he likes it. Because it's in the 150 ml actually. Yeah, because it's still another, I think the 350 ml. So I think it's the medium size and the smaller size. So I think it's the medium size. The bigger size is quite expensive, more expensive than this. I think it's like double, almost double the amount I got this. So I decided to stick to what my money can afford. Because I actually had this before, but the other day I went to make up for a client and I forgot. Okay, yeah, I know. So I went to make up for her and I forgot the day, and I've been meaning to get it, but I used to forget sometimes. So when I saw it on their page, on Rabbit's page, I was like, this is the day the Lord has made. And the shampoo family. What am I saying? Smells organic, like it has all these herbs. It has this herb smell, like you have. No, it's the name is even green tea. Like it's from Kiss Beauty. You can try it out, and you can see that. I wanted to open this, but then I wanted to open it with you people, right? Because I'm nice. I'm always nice. You guys got me. Okay, you got me. But why would they wrap this thing so tight? Like I can't even get. And I don't want to ruin this like this pop, like because I love popping this thing. Finally, we did it. Who am I that you're so mindful of me? I like the button. Came to die for Jesus came to die for me, to die for you. Have you accepted him today? If not, it's not too late. He's always here for you. You know, all you just need to do is put on your nails. No. Thank you for you. Listen to know the Lord and personal Savior and ready to be known with Him and by Him. And that's it. We are here. So, yeah. I got this. I wanted to get because I Eye Magic. Yeah, I wanted to get Eye Magic lip palette, but I couldn't get it on the Real Beauty's page, so I decided to get the next available one, which is actually nice too. So I got the V Wild Lip and Cheek palette. Yeah. Yes. This doesn't have particular smell, and this one also V Beauty. It says the blush palette. Okay. That is it. I can this my first time seeing it too. It has it has the powder and it also has the liquid form kind of. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. Oh gosh. I feel so proud right now. So I got this Sylvia MAC foundation because I've always lacked in black people's foundation. There's this very dark shade I usually use on people, but it's always give this whitish look when I finish. So I decided like, okay, let me go for something quite expensive. So I got the black coffee, and this is the darkest color in the collection. This V Beauty foundation also. So in darker shade too. So this one is way darker than this other one because I wasn't sure if camera was lying, and it's true, camera was lying. It's actually, you can see. That's so. It's never a best to. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, this is nice. So it came with a lip liner. Please, you guys did this one. No. Thank you, V. You guys did it. You did done dadas. Done dada. Number one mother. Loose powder. Or finishing powder, whichever one you want to call it. Is from S Beauty. Sparkle Beauty, yeah. For the white color. This Black Polar Beauty is wow. Pigmented shadows. Yeah, I got three shades actually because I still have a couple of ones at home. Finally, the bag and the brushes. Like I've been meaning to change my set of brush for the longest time. So the brush I've been using all of this while was bought by my mom, like bless that woman. This one is just a 15 pieces. Ta-da. That's it. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching, and shout out to Uche. Yeah, that's the name of the guy who helped me receive my package. Shout out to you. Thank you for being a gentleman and keeping it on behalf. Like if I start telling the story now, I wouldn't be here, but I'll just keep it simple. Like thank you, and thank you my fans. How are you, my fans? Alright, thank you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm very sure you're gonna be enjoying this because this is a new season. Perhaps in my next video, I'll be using one of or two of these products and be showing you how they look like and just the texture, and if possibly you'll be getting them too. And I'll also be telling you some other products that will be nice for you to get, right? And even for skincare, so just be expecting a lot. So thank you once more for watching. I love you all. Thank you. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Comment, like, send me reviews. If you don't like it, tell me where you want me to be better. That's how I grow. That's how I make better content for you guys. So please, I know you guys are like, yeah, this is lovely, but then I still want you to review and sometimes criticize criticism that like help me grow better. So I'd like you to leave that also in the comment section. Things you like to see me doing next, and some other fun interesting thing. Don't worry, I'll be just doing a lot of things that happen in my life. There's a lot going on in my life right now, and I'm super happy. I'm in my happy stage right now, and it's all thanks to God. Like, all right, thank you so much for watching. Catch you again next episode.